Hi guys, I've been receiving a lot of requests for English video for Sushant and Disha's soul, the questions that I've asked, and therefore I am doing a voice over for this video because I cannot take out the cards again and ask the souls again. So I'm doing a voiceover for this video. There are few questions, the main questions that are being answered in this video, and along with that, in the end, I will also summarize some of the other things that are there in my other videos so that you get an idea about everything that had been asked so far to Disha and Sushant's soul and the answers that I've got. So I hope this video helps you, and it's just a voiceover, so you probably will see my mouth going different and the sound, like the audio going different, so you'll have to bear with it, but I hope this will help you. Sushant, was your body changed? The body that was there, the postmortem is done for, was that your body? Was your body changed? So I have received quite a few cards for it, and when I read all those cards, it actually says that looks like his body was changed, and also looks like there were all more people involved. He was either resting or he was under a drug, so he was either intoxicated or there was something that was given to him because of which he was not in his senses. If you see, there is a Four of Swords, a person lying at one place and probably dreaming or intoxicated, so he was in that shape, and there were other people involved, so somebody probably entered his room. And if you see, there is a King of Cups. This though can also show emotions, that somebody is undergoing an emotional instability, but that doesn't look like this, and look like somebody came and the force was used on him. There were people who betrayed him, there were people who did that to him from he was least expecting this from. So these were the people who he was not expecting this to be done. And Two of Wands actually show that one thing was changed and something different was put on it. So basically a body that was changed, so it was not his body that for which the postmortem was done, and probably it was a body of somebody who was quite like him. So the body, the height and everything could have been like him, but the body definitely was replaced, because it kind of shows that there is Two of Wands, and the person, the Knight of Swords, basically show somebody who was young, somebody who had a similar body type like him, but definitely his body was changed and it was not his body. So Shant, can we locate your body? Is there a way that your body can be located? Where is your body? Is there a possibility to locate your body? So it is very difficult to locate his body, and looks like there is a very less possibility, though the body will be found, but it will be difficult to identify the body. But yes, the change of body will be found out. So definitely the situations will come in next few months where this thing will be very visible, that there were two bodies, and we'll all know that the body was changed or something was done to the body, and it was not his body whose postmortem was done actually. Also looks like his body was thrown from some high place or mountain or a cliff, because there is a Fool card, so it shows that probably was thrown away from the cliff, and he's one with the divine for sure, and he's passed over. That's what it looks like. Sushant, is the female everyone is blaming for the murder is the murderer? So you see, the moment I spoke about the murderer, the card that came out was the Queen of Wands, and this card has come out every time we speak about who's done this to him. The person who did it is the mastermind, and as soon as we ask this question, every time I see Queen of Wands coming out. This is a female who's strong, who's aged above 30, has some hold or power, can have some psychic abilities, or somebody who's very very negative inside, though she shows her a good side and positive face to the world. She is the one who is very very negative from inside, and this jealousy or this negativity she's kept inside from years. Is she the one everybody is blaming? Is she the one we all are blaming right now? Is she the one who's going through interrogations and everything right now? Is she the one people are blaming? So the cards say that the relationship has a role to play in it. And definitely, if you see, the card is devil is a card of relationship, which is either used or to which is actually to use somebody, or which is doing some harm to somebody, or strangulating somebody, or keeping somebody under your control. And if you see, there's 10 of swords, the card that came for the first time when I did cards. But then there is a card of money that is involved, and the cards are saying that though this person was involved, the basic thing that this person did was probably to intoxicate him, to disable him. So basically, she disabled him, but not really killed him. Not really killed him. Is she the only person who killed him, or there are more people involved? Sushant, is she the only person? So there is a hanged man and there is a page of pentacles. So these cards say that she's just a face, she's just an angle that is being used. She did disable him. She did that to use his money, and she did use his money in an incorrect way, but she did not kill him. She has done him harm by disabling him for money, but she's not the mastermind. She's definitely not the mastermind. There are many more that are involved, and basically there is a female that is involved, who is the mastermind, who's the Queen of Wands, who we see every time. This was only a disability that she caused for him because she wanted the money, but she probably also didn't know that he would get killed and all these things will happen. She is the main female, she is the main mastermind. What else do you want to tell us, Sushant, about the people involved? What else do you want to tell us, Sushant, about the people involved? What else do you want to tell us, Sushant, about the people involved? What else do you want to tell us, Sushant, about the people involved? Can we know anything else about the people involved? Okay, so if you see, there is a card who's King of Sword, there is 5 of Cups, and there is 8 of Wands. So this King of Swords is a man who's involved into it. So there is another male involved in it who is very powerful, who holds a powerful position in authority, who knows how to deal with things, who knows how to plan, how to act, how to keep things under his control. And he was close to Sushant. He was definitely close to Sushant. He is somewhere related to Sushant, because in 5 of Cups you can see a house behind the person, and the person is really sad because something that he never expected has happened. And this is one thing that I've been seeing over and over again, that a card of a family or a home definitely comes ahead, and that kind of shows that Sushant wants to tell that there is definitely somebody who's very close to him is involved in this, and he was definitely not expecting this person to do something like this. And this person probably does not really live with Sushant or Sushant's family. This person might be somebody who's living somewhere else, but he definitely didn't expect this person to do this. And this person has control over a lot of things, and he knows how to manage those things and how to manage this case. Is there anyone else involved, Sushant? Is there anyone else involved? Are there only these 2 people, or is there anyone else involved? Are there only 2 people, or is there anyone else involved? So I've got the cards which are 6 of Swords, which are 3 of Wands, and which is Knight of Wands. So definitely there was somebody else involved. There was another person who was involved in it, and this person was mainly probably used in this whole scenario. He probably could be somebody who was little younger, so he did it on the ground. The female and the male can be above 35, and the third one can be little younger to them, but was used to do it on the ground. And hopefully in 6 months timeline, a lot of it is going to be exposed. And if you see 6 of Swords, it says there are 3 people involved, and again 3 of Wands, again involvement of 3 people. So we definitely have 3 people who are involved and who were actually close to him or who were related to him. And he was expecting something like this to happen, but not from these people. He was scared, but it was not probably coming from these people. He never saw it coming from these people. And here if you see, there are 3 people on the boat, so definitely 3 people involved, 2 male, 1 female, and these are the main people who did that. Now I want to ask if this is only for money, or was there something else involved into it. So Sushant, was this only for money? Sushant, was this only for money? Sushant, was there anything else involved for your murder, or was this only for money? What was the reason for your murder? Okay, so the card that we have is Queen of Wands, a Queen of Cups. So Queen of Cups basically says that this was definitely not only for money. There is another angle that is there, and that angle is that either someone's emotions were invested in him, or someone's emotions were impacted by him. So someone wanted him to be under their authority, or wanted to overpower him, or someone was emotionally hurt because of him, because that person was not getting enough attention, or that person had big dreams but could not fulfill them as well as Sushant could. So there was a feeling of jealousy, there was a feeling of wanting to keep him under the control. And money angle, though it is related, but it is mostly related to the relationship, or it could be related to the king of swords, or the other person that was involved, because their money can be, it can be a thing that was on that person's mind. But definitely there was somebody who wanted to be overpowering him, who wanted to be there, who wanted to overpower him and get him under his control, and that is why this murder was done. So this was not definitely only for money, this was definitely for emotions, or this was definitely out of jealousy. And like I said, three people involved, one female, two males, and the female and the male are closely related to him, and the third person might not be as closely related to him but was used for this. Sushant, will you get justice? Sushant, will you get justice? Yes, he will get justice, he will definitely get justice. But it is going to be very difficult journey, because a lot of powerful people are involved, and a lot of money influence is involved, and also people who are close to him are involved, and that is why it is going to be a very difficult journey to actually find out who did this. Sushant, what is the timeline for you to get justice? Again, I see the card of the family, and it really, he again throws this card out time and again, and you will see this card coming out, because he again shows that there is family that is involved, or there is somebody very close who's involved in it. So Shant, how long will it take for you to get justice? Okay, so there are cards that I found, which is Ace of Cups, which is Seven of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune. So if we see, 1 month is going to be important, so 1 month changes will start from posting this video that I posted earlier. So changes have already started, and 7 is going to be important number. So 7 days, 7 months, 7 weeks, you'll see new angles coming out in this case, and a year's time justice will happen. So it will take almost a year for the justice to happen. So now I'm going to talk to Disha for a while and figure out what happened with Disha. So Disha, who killed you? Disha, were you killed, or was this a suicide? Disha, were you killed, or was this a suicide? So if you see, there are cards which is 10 of swords and which is hermit. So if we see these cards, this card came for Sushant as well, and this is a murder. This is a murder that was shown as a suicide, and it was done in dark, or it was done in a way where everything was hidden and people will not come to know, the world will not come to know. But the swords in her back show that it was a murder, and it was definitely not a suicide, but it was shown to the world as a suicide, and everything was hidden in the night, everything was hidden in the dark, but there was light, so everything was supposed to come out. Disha, before I could ask the question, the soul is answering. This is related to the relationship. So the person she was in relationship with was the one behind this murder, because there is 2 of cups. So this cards clearly show that this is with the relationship. Were you pregnant? Were you pregnant when this happened? Disha, were you pregnant? I need some more cards, Disha. Can I get a clarifier? Can I get a clarifier? Can you show some more cards? Were you pregnant when this murder happened? Were you pregnant when this murder happened? Okay, so the cards definitely show that she was not pregnant when this happened, and the time of murder, it it was she was emotionally worried. She was thinking about this relationship, or either she was not very happy in this relationship or feeling used, and she wanted to get over this. So she wanted to get the commitment or love that she wanted, but she probably knew that it is not going to come. So she definitely wanted to end this relationship, but it was not pregnancy. There is a possibility that pregnancy might have happened earlier and got terminated, and that caused this whole turmoil inside her, and that's when she wanted to come over it. This is definitely a murder, but not necessarily there was a pregnancy. She was looking at her options, she was looking at new horizons, new places. She wanted to move forward in life, and also she wanted to choose the right thing for herself. But the pregnancy part, if you see, you can see a little girl in this card, a small soul. So there could be a possibility where she got pregnant earlier, and she had to terminate that pregnancy, and that is what made her think about choosing her options and thinking whether she would want this relationship to go further or not. And probably she was into that mindset where she was wanting to move out of this relationship or not have this relationship, rather have more balance in her life, rather move ahead with more balance in her life, and move ahead maybe by choosing not to be with the same person totally again. But yes, I see a possibility overall of rape in this cards, because if I look at the card of Four of Cups, somewhere I see that this female who's in the card, and if you see the card, the female who's in the card, she's nude and she's holding her clothes on, she's holding on to her clothes, but she's nude. And from that I can say that there was a possibility that she was raped before she was murdered. But we'll still ask, Disha, were you raped before the murder? Disha, were you raped before the murder? Disha, were you raped before the murder? Yes, there was something that was done to her. There was something definitely that was done to her, and there is high possibility of rape, because there is Five of Swords, and Five of Swords means that some people came together and did that to her, and out of those there was one person who was she was emotionally connected with. And there is also possibility that there was a female that she was connected with, or because of her she was there in that particular place when the party where the rape happened. Or there is also a possibility that the person she was connected with completely, she was emotionally connected with, was part of this rape, and the man along with other people, he did that to her. So definitely she was raped before the murder. There are very high chances of a rape before the murder. So I would want to figure out what was the connection between Sushant's case and Disha's case. So let's ask that question. What was the connection between Sushant's and your case? Can you give me cards? What Can you give me some more cards? What was the connection? Can you give me some more cards? What was the connection between Sushant's case and your case, your murder? So definitely there is a correlation. There is a correlation between both the murders, and but the correlation or the connection between them is not how we are understanding it to be, because it looks like the correlation is money related, which means that the people who were involved in Disha's murder, and if you see, there is a family here, and then there is a lot of money, or so there was some money transactions involved, or there was some money that was used to kind of shut down the Disha's case, so that Disha's murder does not come out as a murder, and it is really it remains as a suicide. And people who did that were also somewhere involved in a kind of in either they were torturing Sushant, or they were actually communicating with Sushant. But there was a possibility that as soon as the Sushant case will open up, because the hospital being same and places being the same, Disha's case will also open up, and all those people will get us exposed. And that is why there was a try to actually not let Sushant's case also be open. And the main connection is definitely that the money that was used to actually hide Disha's case would have come out if Sushant's case come out. Was your murder? So usually Disha doesn't even let me, this soul doesn't even let me take out cards or ask my question. Was your murder cause of Sushant's murder was my question, and the cards again are saying the same thing, that the cause for both the murders are different. While Disha's murder happened because she was in relationship up and down with somebody, and then a rape happened at that day. Sushant's murder was definitely very very different. Sushant's murder and the people that were there were very different. The only correlation is that the use of power that was done and money to not let Disha's murder come out would come out with Sushant's case opening up, and that was the only reason. And if you see, Queen of Wands has again come up, and it happens every time when I take out these cards and she jumps out of the deck, and that is because the murder that has happened for Sushant, this female is the cause. She is the mastermind. Are there same people directly involved in the murder? Sushant, are same people directly involved in the murder? Sushant, are same people directly involved in the murder? Sushant, are same people directly involved in the murder? Were the same people directly involved in the murder? So the cards basically are saying that indirect involvement is definitely possible, because Sushant somewhere was stressed about Disha's murder. He knew about Disha's murder. He was scared. He was getting threats probably also. But the main cause or the main reason of Sushant's murder is not the same. This murder of Sushant was planned like in a way that if at all this opens up, it can be correlated with Disha's murder, and the real people who are behind it would not come out. So you definitely, the person that we are blaming at that point in time was there for money, but not really the one who did the murder. And definitely the same people are not directly involved in the murder at all. And when I take out cards again, or when I shuffle the cards normally, usually asking this question about his murder, usually the cards that come out are hinting towards a person who is very close, like a family or a family. And again, when I took out the cards, they say the same thing, that there is 10 of cups, which is family, which is people who is very close to him. There is emotional disturbance, and then there is this imbalance, or there is that thing that happened where definitely right now his soul is at balance, but it really got shocked because people he never expected would did this to him. Also, I'm adding a summary of some questions that were asked in my last video, so that you have answers to those also in English. So in my first video that I made first time when I took out cards, he also hinted that there is a rebirth that is going to happen. That rebirth is going to take place in 19 months, and there was a very strong hint that the rebirth is going to be in connection one with getting the justice, because somewhere looks like the complete justice might not happen. A person might just escape out of it, and that's the person that he's going to be reborn to. And when he gets that rebirth, we all will know that it is Sushant. And how will we know it is because the vibe, the aura is going to be the same, and probably by the time he's 5 years of age, he will do certain things which will be very very visible to the whole world, and the whole world will see that okay, some soul has come back, and we'll all be able to connect with that soul as Sushant. So we'll know in 5 years time that okay, it is Sushant. So the rebirth definitely is there, and the rebirth is with the same female who is involved in this case, but probably she'll escape from this case. She might just not get caught, the mastermind behind all of this. Also, why I asked the question that whether was this death or this murder of Sushant in sync with his purpose, and the cards that came out kind of told me that possibly his birth was to do a lot of things along with exposing the movie mafia, the things that are happening nowadays, the politics and everything. And somewhere it looked like he was diverting from that path, and just to fulfill what his purpose was in life, the major purpose, this whole situation has ended, or this whole situation has happened. And if you see, this has made an impact, and the movie mafia, the things that were happening in politics and everything are coming out. Also at right now, I think we are not able to get to the real culprits, and the reason for that is that if in the beginning he would, his soul, in the beginning, if his soul had got justice, all the people that are being exposed right now, and especially the Disha's case opening up, all of that would not have happened. And that is why it's taking a while before the real people get caught. And that's why the path of the case is going somewhere else right now. And when I asked the question about that, if the case is going fine, the soul answered me that it is going, and it is going in a particular way where it has to expose a lot of other things too. And with our continuous effort, and with everybody, praying and supporting the justice, it will go on to the right path. But that is going to take some time. So it will probably take anything from 6 months to a year's time for, but most probably by 6 months the case will go towards the right path, and the actual culprits will get caught. So I hope the justice happens, and I hope you've gotten answers to a lot of your questions. And I'm not sure how would you like this, because my voice, my face is saying something else and the audio is saying something else. But at least that's the best that I could do to give you an English version. And I'm receiving a lot of other questions, but right now I don't get the permission from his soul to answer all of that. And probably because if we get answers to all of those, Disha's case might not just go forward, and that's why the soul is not allowed. So once I have the permission, I will take all your questions, and I will definitely connect with him and get answers to all of those. Till then, take care, bye bye, and please keep praying for his justice for him, and also stay positive. I don't want, and actually his soul doesn't want any of you to get negative and not sleep at night and distress themselves. Just stay positive, just stay calm, and also support him and keep fighting for his justice. Take care, bye bye. Thank you.